Welcome to this technical guide on the Dell XPS 15. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dell XPS 15 won't turn on, you're not alone. This issue can arise due to various reasons, often linked to power supply failures or internal component malfunctions. If left unchecked, this can lead to further damage and potentially a more expensive repair down the line. To get started with the repair, you will need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, an anti-static wrist strap, and a replacement power connector. First, ensure your device is turned off and unplugged. Lay the laptop on a flat surface, and using the plastic opening tool, carefully pry open the back cover. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging the clips. Once you've accessed the internals, look for the power connector, which is typically located near the battery. You may need to disconnect the battery first. To do this, carefully unscrew the screws securing the battery in place and gently lift it out, making sure not to touch any other components. Once the battery is removed, locate the faulty power connector. It may be soldered onto the motherboard or connected with cables. If it's soldered, you might need to desolder it carefully. If it's connected with cables, simply disconnect it. When replacing the faulty connector, ensure you have the right type that matches your device. Secure it in place and reconnect the battery. Remember to apply the appropriate amount of force when tightening the screws. Over-tightening can lead to damage. As you reassemble the device, double-check that all cables are properly connected and there are no loose components. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once everything is back in place, gently snap the back cover on. Before you power it on, ensure all screws are securely fastened. To prevent this issue from happening again, regularly check for software updates and ensure your device is not overheating. Keeping your laptop clean and dust-free will also help maintain its performance. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.